Hello OneMinuteLab. Today we will see how we can create Windows Server 2022 virtual machine using Azure Compute Galleries in Azure Portal. So let's move to Azure Portal. As you can see, we are in Azure Portal. To watch this video, first of all, you need to watch our previous video in which we have created an image. Link of that video will also provide in the description. You can watch from there. In Azure Services, you can click on Azure Compute Galleries. Otherwise, in search bar, you can also type Azure Compute and click on Azure Compute Galleries. Here we have an image with the name of my test image. Click on it. Now click on add and click on VM image definition. Here a default region is good for our testing purpose. In VM image definition name, you can give any meaningful name. OS type must be Windows. OS state must be generalized. VM generation must be Gen 1. In publisher, give any meaningful name. In offer, give any meaningful name. In SKU, give any meaningful name. Then click on next. In version name, give the version name. Region must be same. Then click next. We do not need to provide any publishing options. Click next. Here in name, type name, and in value type any meaningful name. Then click next. As you can see, our validation passed successfully. Now click on create. As you can see, our deployment is in progress. Here it will take a couple of minutes. As you can see, our deployment is completed successfully. Now click on go to resource. Here first of all, we need to add version. Click on version. In version number, give the version number. In source, choose disk or snapshot. In OS disk, choose server 2022. Then click next. Use default replication. Click next. Use default encryption. Click next. In name, type name. In value, type any meaningful name. Then click next. As you can see, our validation passed successfully. Click on create. As you can see, our deployment is in progress. Here it will take couple of minutes. As you can see, our deployment is completed successfully. Now click on go to resource. Here we have option create VM. Click on create VM. In resource group, you can choose any resource group. In virtual machine name, give any meaningful name. In region, you can choose any region. Here in image, you can see this is automatically pick up the custom image that we have created. In size, you can choose any size. In username, give any username. In password, give any password. Now scroll down to the bottom and choose your license. Then click next. We do not need any additional disk, so click next. We are going with default network settings. Click next. We do not need any management, so click next. In advanced, we do not need to add any additional data. Click next. In name, type name. In value, type any meaningful name. Then click next. As you can see, our validation passed successfully. Now click on create. As you can see, now our deployment is in progress. Here it will take couple of minutes. After deployment, you can access the VM. Hope you like this video. See you in next video.